Alright guys, tonight we're having a Honda African Twin CRF1000L fitted with Tourex Gold-Xtreme 8900 lumen. We're gonna test out the light and the function that this light have. Let's go. First and foremost, dimmer dial comes as standard. Press and hold. The stock 800 lumens or 900 lumens, and we're gonna dimmer dial it to the max 8900 lumens. As you can see, it is super bright but unable to be captured correctly by the camera. Okay, but we face the light a bit down so it won't glare at the road user. Next is the function. Using the dimmer dial, we're gonna press and hold. So first mode, left and right mode, and then we go to the next mode. Press and hold again. Maybe a blinking mode. And then we go to the next mode. Press and hold again. It's a hazard light mode. And we press and hold one more time. Maybe back to the last mode that you dial. And we press again to off. So there you have it, the function of a Tourex Gold-Xtreme 8900 lumen with strobe function, installed on Honda African Twin.